Cleaning the Philips DreamWisp Minimal Contact Nasal Mask regularly and before first use is very important. To disassemble, pull the quick release from the elbow or CPAP hose. If you're using the optional fabric sleeves, undo the strips and remove them from the mask frame. Peel back the tabs on the bottom headgear strap and pull the strap through the slots in the magnetic clips. Unless you're replacing them, leave the magnetic clips attached to the frame. Undo the tabs on the top strap and disconnect the strap from the frame. Now remove the elbow from the top of the frame size connector. Disconnect the frame size connector from the mask frame. Finally, pull the cushion from the mask frame. Hand wash the non-fabric parts, the mask cushion, mask frame, elbow, frame size connector, and tubing quick release daily using mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Submerge the parts and examine them to make sure there are no air pockets present. Rinse the clean parts thoroughly with water. Let them dry completely before use. In addition to daily hand washing, you can place these mask parts without the magnetic clips in the dishwasher for cleaning once a week. Use a mild detergent and carefully position them on the top shelf so water can circulate within the mask frame. Do not use the dishwasher's drying cycle. Instead, remove the parts and allow them to air dry. Hand wash the fabric headgear and sleeves once per week using mild dishwashing detergent. Spread the clean, wet fabric parts out flat or hang them on a line to dry. Do not use a clothes dryer. Inspect your mask regularly for damage or wear, such as cracking or tears. Discard or replace parts as needed. To reassemble the DreamWisp mask, first align the cushion and frame. Notice that the openings have a similar shape. Attach the cushion to the mask frame by resting one edge of the frame against the cushion and rolling it into the opening. Make sure the raised edge of the mask cushion is fully inserted into the mask frame. Click the sizing connector into the mask frame tubes. Insert the elbow into the top of the frame sizing connector. Place the tubing quick release onto the elbow or into the CPAP hose. Notice that the elbow and tubing quick release have 360-degree swivels. Snap the front end of each magnetic clip to its circular receiving part. Now slide the tabs of the top strap into the slots at the top of the mask frame. Fold the tabs to secure them to the strap. Insert the tabs of the bottom strap into the slots on the magnetic clips. Once again, fold to attach. Wrap the optional fabric sleeves around the mask frame so that the seams are on the outside, away from your face. Your DreamWisp mask is now correctly assembled and ready for use. Philips.